In this video, I want to talk about how we set the acceleration and deceleration of the jog button when the jog function is being used. I have a couple videos on setting the frequency of the jog button and how to set up the jog function using an external button that I'll link in the description. But for this time, let's go ahead and take a look at how we set the acceleration and deceleration on the jog function. So right now, when I activate the jog, it goes up to 20 Hertz, which is I had it set for in a previous video, and that takes about 10 seconds to accelerate and to decelerate. If we want that time to increase or decrease, this is how we do it. We go to the enter button, and this will typically start you off in B depending on what the last program was put in there. And we're going to scroll up to A. We're going to enter into there, and this will usually start you off at a little bit of a different number, but we're going to go ahead and scroll up to 432, hit enter, and then we're going to come in here and select this over. Now let's say we want this to go to 20 seconds instead of 10 seconds, or if we want it to go to 5, we come here. So you can increase or decrease it. So this case, for this example, let's just cut the time in half. So we'll hit the enter key to set it, escape 3 times. Now when I activate the start button, you can see how much quicker it ramped up to the jog speed that we've programmed in here. This was just a quick explanation on how to set the acceleration and deceleration time on a PowerFlex 525 using TII Technical Education Systems ACD 525 VFD trainer. And as always, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like and subscribe button.